In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp account. By the end, you'll be ready to start sending email campaigns, newsletters, and basic marketing automations with a brand new account, and you'll understand each step clearly. Before we begin, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and access to an email inbox you can check right away. You'll use that email to verify your account, so keep it open in another tab or on your phone. First, open your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works well. In the address bar, go to the official Mailchimp website. If you see ads or search results, choose the official site to avoid landing on a third-party page. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner and click Sign Up. On some screens, this may read Sign Up Free or appear inside a menu icon if you're on mobile. Either way, you're heading to the account creation form. Now, enter your email address. This should be an inbox you check frequently, since Mailchimp will send a verification message there. Next, create a username. Pick something unique and memorable. If the one you choose is taken, try adding a simple modifier that you'll remember later. For the password, follow the on-screen rules shown by Mailchimp. They typically require a mix of characters for security, such as uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Aim for a strong, memorable password, and consider using a reputable password manager to store it securely. When your details look good, click Sign Up. You may be asked to complete a quick security check. Give it a moment to process. Don't refresh the page unless instructed. Now switch to your email inbox and look for a new message from Mailchimp. If you don't see it after a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder and make sure you entered the correct email address. Sometimes, searching your inbox for Mailchimp helps surface it quickly. Open the verification email and click Activate Account. This confirms you're the owner of the email and completes the creation process. A new tab will open to finalize activation. If you're prompted to confirm anything else, just follow the on-screen guidance. That's it. You've successfully created your Mailchimp account. From here, you're set to explore templates, create your first audience, and start drafting campaigns and automations. In upcoming tutorials, we'll walk through those next steps. For now, enjoy your new account and keep your login details in a safe place.